Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Shaz and I'm gonna help you to learn many things about hip hop freestyle and house freestyle. Today's topic is about how we can make variations of a simple step like pas de bourrée. We can simply make variations with dance elements. I will explain you later about what is dance element. So make sure to subscribe this channel and don't miss out next videos of my YouTube channel. First dance element that we can make variation with a simple step is direction. You can use all the space you have. Element that we can make variations with is range. Range means that you can have a small movement or have a big movement. Dance element is about velocity. Velocity means you can make an accent in different places of a simple movement.
Apparently it's not just me, takes a while to be a star, and I think it's hard for me, I'm missing child fatality. My parents' nightmares so intense, as if I lost my instruments. Luckily they found the kid, luckily I have music, and I was born to do it. Can change the world, and it's a gift and it shows. It was made to kill the noise.
The last dance element that we're going to work on is about timing. You can use different timing at different paces, like fast or slow.
Instead of bombs and all these wars, every boy and every girl promise me you'll sing a melody of peace and joy to everyone love you will bring. You were born to do it, and he was born to do it. She was born